Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen, Daily Aubrey. So I wanted to do a what I got for Christmas. I've never done, oh, did I do it last year? I'm not really sure, but I saw them all on TikToks, realized people still love these. So I'm gonna do a quick one. I'm in my Christmas pajamas from Amazon. I will link these down below. They're so cute. And let's get right into it. So first thing, this necklace. My boyfriend Dan got me this necklace from Baby Gold. I've never gotten anything from here, but I've seen it. Really great quality, very nice and affordable, made in LA. 14 karat gold with these diamonds. He got this Benzel necklace. It's just one little diamond on the 14 karat chain. And then he also got me this one, which I have been obviously very much loving. A great everyday necklace. And I got these double walled glasses. I use these every day for my coffee. I drink iced coffee, and holding this doesn't cause like any condensation. The same with if it's hot, you can hold it and it won't be so hot. I love them. I've gone through a bunch of them. I use them every day, so great gift. Here's a little stocking stuffer I got. A new electronic lighter. One we had just like died, but I love these for lighting candles. They're much safer, I think, so you can just pop on in. It's like an electronic lighter. Another big gift I got is a new camera. My boyfriend surprised me with this. Nobody watches this YouTube channel, so if you do, I would feel much better about this gift because he got me a brand new camera, some new SD cards. If you know, you know, these are goals. Some new chargers, and also this new like vlogging kit because it's specific for this camera, and it has a nice new tripod, another SD card, lots of good things. So please subscribe so I feel better about this gift that I was given. And then next I got these new sneakers, the On sneakers, Drift. The color he got is sand and white. I don't know if I like these or if I want the all white ones, so let me know what you think, if I should keep these. But they're very nice and light, comfortable walking shoes, working out, love it. Next I got this water pitcher. We have one from Soma, I think it's called, I'm not sure, but it's the plastic and bamboo, but this one is glass, which would be much easier. Apparently it's a much longer lifespan for the filter, so great. I think that's from Crate & Barrel. Next, I got a Sonos speaker. We've never really had a portable speaker, so happy about this. We've always just used like the Google, which kind of sucks. But this is great. The quality is amazing. Love the color. Love how these look. Sonos is great. Another little stocking stuffer. This Fragolia from Brie. I don't know. These are these like Greek syruped berries. This one's strawberries and heavy syrup. Great for cocktails. I'm gonna put this on my cocktail cart. Look how cute it is. They also have the cherry one. This one is the strawberries. Adorable. Next, I got an umbrella. I've never really had my own umbrella, so Dan got me this. It's a small one, which is great for New York, and apparently it's an invertible one. Like it inverts on itself, which is great. Love that. Next, a big gift from my parents. Look at how sweet and cute this is. I'm obsessed with it. I've already been wearing it. I don't have anything this color, but it's great for the holidays. A nice silver bag. Another big gift, these rain boots. Look how cute these are. I love them. I literally don't have rain boots and I never know what to wear when it rains, so I'm very happy about these. Look how cute. Another little stocking stuffer. I got this ice roller. If you know, or if you watch any of my videos, I take an ice cube to my face every night, but this, you just pour water in that. Oh, it's a little heart. And then you close it up and it freezes, so it's like a little stick, so you can use it much better. Very happy about that. I'm gonna use that a lot. Next, I got these Ring Concierge earrings. They're so freaking cute. I've seen a lot of people wear these and they're very fun earring. So they're these long dangly ones in 14 karat gold, and they look like this. Little dusters. So stinking cute. I love them. Ring Concierge is bae. I love their stuff. Next, I got this Barefoot Dreams blanket, a brand new, the big cream one. Barefoot Dreams blankets are so comfy. This is a gift for everybody. Dan, me, Brooks. We all love these. Okay, next I got a Super Puff. I have the long tan one I got last year. I'm obsessed with it, but they have this pink color that I've loved. I think I mentioned it once and then Dan remembered and got me this, so I'm obsessed. I've already been wearing it every day. But the Super Puffs are so great. Really great price for a very warm coat, and they're nice and light. Just great for New York City because you're always carrying them around. All right, and then I got a Lululemon set. I got their Define jacket. Very cute. I love these jackets. This color is so sweet. It's like pink. I got the matching leggings. Very cute. These are the cropped ones. Align pant in 25. Very cute. I got this migraine relief mask from Aura. This thing is awesome. You can play music. It does heat, cool, compression, soothing, relaxing therapy, reduces eye strain, dark rings, and dry eye. But it's for migraines because I get migraines and they suck. So very thoughtful. My favorite slip hair ties. I love these ones. They're the thin ones. Then I got this Tan Luxe set, face and the body. Love Tan Luxe. And I also got a new tanning mitt. These are my favorite from Amazon. They have like a thumb on them, so that's great. I also got these earrings, these little Gucci heart gold earrings. Super cute. I've already been wearing them like crazy. Love a good heart earring. All right, I feel like I'm missing things. I didn't do my stocking and whatever, but that's the gist of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.